Where does the name for Llandaff North, or in Welsh, Ystum Taf, come from? So today I'm in Cardiff, Caerdydd, and this area behind me on the side of the river is called Llandaff North, or Ystum Taf. Let's get into the name. We'll start with the English name, Llandaff North. This is fairly straightforward. It's an anglicised form of Llandaff, the church by the Ystum Taf, and then North because it's north of the original Llandaff area. The Welsh name is different, a bit older and descriptive of the geography here. First recorded in the 1100s, the Welsh name, Ystum Taf, is made of two parts. Firstly, Ystum, which here means a bend in a river, from the Proto-Celtic word tuchsman, which meant a bend or an arch, and then Taf, the name of the river, which means something like flowing. And it's the connection to this river that led to Llandaff North developing. Originally it grew around Llandaff Bridge, which was one of the most important bridges across the river, before being connected to the Glamorganshire Canal, where iron was transported down to the Ystum Taf from Merthyr. This movement of goods through the village led to a growth of industry, and even led to another name for the village, Llandaff Yard, though it never really caught on. As with much of Cardiff, it experienced a lot of development in the 50s and 60s, where the canal was filled in and housing was built. Its slow development means that it kept a lot of its wide streets and green spaces, such as Hayley Park, and the public land along the sides of the River Taff to this day. So the name literally means the area to the north of the settlement attached to the church by the River Taff or the Ystum Taf, or it means the bend in the Ystum Taf or the River Taff. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. Links in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.